Hey MNTV family, it's Mike here, your MNTV dad. I'm here with Clifford and Tanya in front of their amazing house, all decked out for Christmas with a whole 𝗙𝗡𝗏 theme. The kids and I just were inside, we came out, and I thought I would ask them about their absolutely amazing house. So hi guys.
Hello.
Hi.
Thanks for coming.
Oh.
Merry Christmas.
Also, side note, it's a little cool today. It was much
minus one today, so the nose is chilling.
Yeah, it was much nicer yesterday.
Nicer.
So tell us about what you've got going on in there.
Well, background. Our 𝗙𝗡𝗏 for Christmas actually started with Halloween.
Okay.
So what happened was 3 years ago we had a family come through at Halloween with an 𝗙𝗡𝗏 list. And we loved the idea, but it didn't fit to try and do Halloween and an 𝗙𝗡𝗏. So the idea percolated and we said Christmas is the right thing. And it's the right time because it's a great way to pull families together and have fun. So we started last year with 1 tent and 6 vignettes, and we discovered that adults don't bend like children.
We found out that
For flow
because of the way it needs more room for flow, for people to crowd around and stuff. So we learned a lot from last year with that.
But we also learned, and most importantly learned, that people absolutely loved the idea. So we decided to leave all 3 tents from Halloween up, flip the plastic because it's black, white poly, and decorate because everything from inside is outside. We have 5 children who are all done and grown, and it's meant to be shared and loved. And so that's the birth of the 𝗙𝗡𝗏.
Well, so how many vignettes do you guys actually have?
So we have 12, 10 in the tents, and then Candy Cane Lane, and of course Christmas Village is in the facade in the garage.
Right. That's a cool idea. So you guys like took a whole chunk out of your garage door to do that?
No, actually.
No, that's a fake front. When we're done, we just roll the garage door down and closes it up.
Oh, brilliant.
And it's all insulated and vapor buried and sealed all the way around because our garage is heated, so it actually keeps all the garage heated.
Oh.
The only challenge we ran into, because we kind of screened the whole thing off for the tent, for the village, it wasn't getting air circulation, so I had to put a little fan in there to circulate the air so the window didn't fog up.
Gotcha. That is amazing.
So is that the second list though? Oh, okay. There you go.
Well, I know you guys are super busy. It looks like this is just an amazingly popular place, and
Thank you.
us and the kids really love it, and we can't wait to show you off on the channel.
Well, thank you.
Thank
and
you,
don't
guys.
forget to come back and do the next challenge list. It's a little bit harder and a little bit more fun.
Well, that's right. You guys have multiple lists too.
Right.
So
New lists out now. Today we have the expert level.
Okay.
And next week we're going to have the Christmas Carol level.
okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you, MNTV family. Of course, if you like this and follow us, please do at MNTV family. Like, subscribe, all those other internety, YouTubey things, and we'll catch you soon. We're heading to the Festival of Lights.
Merry
See you
Christmas.
soon.